How much money do you actually need to retire? This is the most important question you will ever ask. Most people have no idea how to answer it. They either guess too high and work longer than they need to, or guess too low and risk running out of money. Today, I am going to teach you exactly how to calculate the real number so you can retire with confidence. We are transforming confusion into clarity, right here in the Rio Grande Valley. Here is the fundamental truth about retirement. You do not need to replace 100% of your income. You need to replace your spending. Many people spend far less in retirement than they did while working because your work expenses simply disappear. You are no longer paying for commuting, work clothes, lunches out, or saving for retirement. You may have even paid off your mortgage. Your actual spending, what you pull out of your accounts every month, is typically much less than your salary once was. Financial advisors use something called the 4% rule as a starting point for sustainability. If you withdraw 4% of your savings in year one and adjust for inflation later, your money should last 30 years or more. If you have $1 million saved, 4% is $40,000 per year, or about $3,300 per month. At $500,000 saved, that is $20,000 per year. The idea is that your remaining savings continue to grow. Now let me teach you how to calculate your specific number. Step 1. Calculate your essential monthly expenses. These are the non-negotiable costs of living, your housing, your utilities like water, electric, and gas. Write down your insurance, groceries, medications, and transportation. Be honest and realistic. Add them all up. That total is your essential monthly expense number, the foundation of your retirement plan. Step 2. Calculate your lifestyle expenses. These are the things you want to do beyond just surviving. Travel, hobbies like golf or gardening, and dining out. These are the things that make retirement truly enjoyable. What about gifts for grandchildren or charitable giving? This is where your personality comes into your plan. Some want to travel extensively, others want to stay home and pursue passions. Neither is wrong, it is personal. Now add your essential expenses and your lifestyle expenses together. That is your total monthly retirement spending number. If your essential costs are $3,000 and your lifestyle is $1,500, your total is $4,500 per month. That is $54,000 per year. That is your target retirement income number, your North Star. That is what you need to generate from Social Security, annuities, pensions, and your investment accounts. Now, here's where Social Security comes in. It is your baseline income that you simply cannot outlive. In 2026, the average benefit is around $1,800, but your benefit depends on when you claim. If you wait until age 70 versus claiming at 62, you get significantly more. Let's say yours is $2,000 at full retirement age. That covers a chunk of your $5,400 need, but you still have a gap of $2,500. This is where annuities become powerful. They are designed to fill that calculated gap with certainty. You can use a portion of your savings to purchase an annuity with an income rider that guarantees you that missing income for life. Combined with Social Security, your entire monthly need is now covered. You can sleep well knowing your expenses are handled. No matter what happens in the stock market or how long you live, your essential expenses are covered forever. Let me give you a real example. Tom is 62 years old with $600,000 in savings and a $4,500 monthly need. Tom uses $200,000 to buy a fixed index annuity that guarantees him $2,500 per month starting at age 67. At 70, he claims Social Security for $2,400. Now he has $4,900 guaranteed every single month. Tom retires at 62 with zero market risk on his essential income, while his remaining savings stay invested for growth. Now your specific number depends on your situation. A pension or rental income might make your income gap much smaller. Significant medical needs or marriage also change the math. There is no one-size-fits-all number. Your number is uniquely yours. Life changes. If you experience a major event like an inheritance or a health diagnosis, you should recalculate. I recommend reviewing your plan every 2 to 3 years. A clear target number allows you to adjust as your life unfolds. If you want to calculate your specific retirement number, call or text me today. I offer a completely free retirement income analysis. No pressure, just honest planning. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Texas retirement strategy tips. I am Antonio Espino, and I will see you in the next video where we dive deep into the safety of fixed annuities.